Did you know Twitter's founder created a secret system that could destroy Elon Musk's empire overnight? On November 3, 2022, Jack Dorsey was living quietly in San Francisco when he discovered Musk's plan. 75% of Twitter's content moderation team would be fired immediately. Dorsey realized his life's work would become a toxic wasteland. That night, he made a desperate decision. He secretly programmed a dead man's switch, an automated system designed to leak Twitter's internal algorithms if toxicity levels crossed certain thresholds. Working with cybersecurity experts, he created the ultimate failsafe. The system is still active today, silently monitoring every post. If Twitter becomes too dangerous, everything gets exposed. Musk has no idea this digital sword hangs over his head. One algorithm breach could end everything. The hidden war for Twitter's soul continues,